In this video, I'll show you how to get multiple ChatGPT accounts, the right way to set them up, and a few important things you need to know before you do it. First, yes, you can have more than one ChatGPT account. OpenAI's Help Center says ChatGPT now has account switching, which lets you stay signed in to two accounts at the same time and move between them without logging out. That makes it useful if you want one account for personal use and another for work or projects. The normal way to do this is simple. Create separate accounts with separate login identities, usually different email addresses. Then, if account switching is available for you, you can use it to move between those accounts more easily in the same browser or device. OpenAI explains that the feature is designed to keep accounts separate, not combine them. Now here's the part a lot of people miss. If you buy a ChatGPT subscription on one account, that subscription does not move over to another account. OpenAI's Help Center says ChatGPT subscriptions cannot be transferred between accounts. So if you want premium access on a different account, you would need to subscribe on that specific account instead. Another important tip is not to confuse multiple accounts with account sharing. OpenAI says you can use your own account on multiple devices, but sharing your account credentials or making your account available to someone else is not allowed. So if several people need access, the better setup is not one shared login. It's a workspace option like ChatGPT Business. That means the smartest setup is this. Keep one account for personal use, create a second account for work, school, or a specific project, and manage each one separately. This helps keep your chats, settings, billing, and data more organized. And since account switching does not merge accounts, your conversations, files, and settings stay separate too. One more useful thing to know is that if you ever need to move conversations from one account to another, OpenAI has a separate process for transferring conversations, but that still does not transfer the subscription itself. So think of each account as its own account with its own billing and setup. So to get multiple ChatGPT accounts, just create separate accounts with separate logins, use account switching when it's available. And remember that paid plans stay tied to the account that purchased them. That's the cleanest and safest way to manage more than one ChatGPT account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.